Welcome to Good Gear Hub, where every ride begins. Find the right gear with the GearFinder. 100 blogs and 150 rider reviews. Buy from trusted names. Discover routes, rider-friendly stays, and unique experiences. Shop with confidence through our trusted partners. RevZilla, J&P Cycles, MotoSPORT in the USA. FC-Moto, UK, France. Motoin in Austria, Denmark and Spain. Belstaff in the UK. Suunto in the US. Alpinestars, Italian-born legend with online shops in Italy, France, the UK, Spain, Denmark, Germany and the US. Beyond gear, the hub takes you further. Route guides to help you explore more and go beyond the map. Welcome pickups gets you from the airport. BikesBooking puts two wheels beneath you. Viator brings everything from simple tours to extreme adventures. GetYourGuide adds the unexpected. End your day with homestay.com. 25,000 rooms that feel like home. Everything riders need. Localrent for cars, SUV should you need one. EKTA Insurance keeps you insured wherever the road leads. Off the bike, Tiqets opens museums and landmarks. Go City unlocks whole cities of experiences. Gear, reviews, routes, stays and experiences, all in one place. Good Gear Hub, the rider's hub.